Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
The Bridle Path, located in Toronto, Ontario, is renowned for its luxurious homes and expansive lots, often ranging from 2 to 4 acres. The neighborhood's name originates from the network of bridle paths, trails designed for horseback riding, that once traversed the area. Early residents, many of whom owned horses, utilized these paths, which have since been paved over but are remembered in the neighborhood's name. In 1827, Scottish settler Alexander Milne arrived and settled on the land now known as Edward's Gardens in Bridle Path. Milne operated woolen and saw mills on the banks of Wilkett Creek until 1832, when a dwindling water supply forced him to relocate east to a mill site along the Don River. The Bridle Path remained predominantly farmland throughout the 19th and early 20th centuries. Development into the affluent neighborhood known today began in the 1930s, with the construction of large estates. The area's appeal was further enhanced by its proximity to natural landscapes, including the nearby Don River Valley and Edwards Gardens, offering residents a blend of urban convenience and scenic beauty. Today, the Bridle Path is characterized by its spacious properties, tree-lined streets, and a sense of seclusion, despite being situated within a major urban center. The neighborhood's exclusivity and grandeur have attracted numerous high-profile residents over the years, contributing to its reputation as one of Toronto's most prestigious areas. The Bridle Path's unique combination of historical significance, natural beauty, and luxurious living continues to make it a notable and distinguished part of Toronto's diverse tapestry.
you.